Hi everyone, Anita Fanita here. How is everybody? I do have a jar for you, but I'm going to do that in the next video following this one. What I'm going to do in this one is brag about Etsy. But I have been noticing that the more you list, the more you sell. So I have been really lazy these few weeks that I haven't been really listing anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make videos every day on what I'm listing, which I decided on 10 items. I'm going to show 10 items and list those 10 items. The ones I'm going to show you today are already listed. And then starting, well, I can't do that today, but starting tomorrow, I'm going to make another one. And again, with 10 listings. And I'm going to show you guys at the end of the video what sold that day. Was not that day, what sold from today. Okay. Okay, and I am going to give you the prices on how much I listed these items for. I just want to remind you guys that these are the original prices. I have placed them all on sale today for 1 week, so they're all going to be 20% off what I say the prices today. Okay, let's start. Okay, what do I have here first? Coral. Okay, so I have I listed this coral necklace. Today it's 24 inches. Very pretty, and as you know, coral is really hard to find nowadays, especially real coral and really nice ones like this. And this one does have a sterling silver clasp on it, and it's 24 inches. It's very pretty. I just love the color of this one. And I do have 2 of these, but I only listed 1. We'll probably do the other one tomorrow. Okay, the next one is this one here. Okay, I listed this one as an agate stone. I'm not sure if that's what it is, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I have seen this in my gemstone book, but my son misplaced it. I couldn't find it anywhere, so I just wrote gemstone and agate in the listing. I don't know if I told you that I listed this one for 25, and that's not including the 20% off that I have it under. Okay, so again with this one, it's a heart shaped stone here. I don't know what these stones are. Very pretty. Pink, kind of like you can kind of see through them. They're very pretty. And I love these carved little flowers on here. And it does have a really nice toggle clasp, which I didn't test the clasp. You know, the clasp might just be silver, but I didn't test the clasp on this one. But it is pretty long. This one is 20 inches. And I listed this one for 35, and that's not including the 20%. So we have this one. Yeah, and I'm going to try and do one. Well, not try. I am going to do one every day and let you guys know, what's selling and what's not selling and things like that. Okay, next I have this scarab bracelet here. I thought this was sterling silver, but it's not. I tested it. It is silver tone. I'm not sure what the gemstones are. They are blue color. I know in the video it's coming out kind of like a purplish tone, but they are blue. And I really love how they look. The bracelet is 7 inches. Very pretty. There's nothing wrong with it. I checked all around. No damages, anything to it. And it is 7 inches. It's very pretty. And I did list this one for $20. Okay. And I put the link under the video of where my store is, so you guys can go check them out. And if you're interested in more than one item, please go ahead and put it in the shopping cart. That way I do combined shipping and you will get combined shipping. Okay, the next one says diamond here. Diamond bracelet here. Very pretty. And this one has clear and black diamonds. And this again was tested. The diamonds were tested and it is marked. This one is 7 inches also. And this one I listed for 50. And again, it's on sale, so it's going to be less than that. This is very pretty. I really like this one. This is for, that girl or woman that doesn't like too much, but likes nice jewelry. Okay. So that's that. The next one, grapes here. Okay. So these grapes are repoussé grapes here. They're not, well, they do look identical, but I did take a closer look at them. They are not identical, and they are handmade. And I did find a few of them online, and it said that they're from the 1940s. So I did go ahead and put these in there too, and they are about from here to here. They're about 2 inches, and I did list these for $30 original price. They're very pretty, and they are sterling silver. They're not marked, but they are tested. Okay, next one is, here we go. I'm gonna say this wrong again. I always say this wrong. It's Labradorite or Labradorite. It's a necklace. It's kind of like a choker because it's not very long, and it does have flashes in here, as you can see. It's very pretty. It's not very long. It's 16 inches. This one here, and it is tested. It's a very pretty piece. You can probably add like a little extension in the back if you wanted to hang down lower. But this piece, I listed it for $20. It's very pretty. Okay, the next one, what do we have? Hoop earrings. Okay, this one I have the Made in Italy hoop earrings. Very pretty. Again, they are marked Italy 925. No dents or anything. They are really nicely polished, and I did polish them with those little polishing cloths that I got, that I showed in my Facebook group. And if you're not part of my Facebook group, go ahead and join. I'm going to put the link below also. It's called There's Always Room for Jewelry. And I did post the link to the little polishing cloths that I got from there. And that's why they're so nice and shiny. So these hoops I listed for, let's see. What did I list them for? Okay, it says here that I listed them for 20. Okay. Next I have, let's see, these vintage hoops. Oh, the vintage hoops. Okay. Next I have these vintage hoops here. These are also the ones that I used, I cleaned with the polishing cloth. These are Mexico Tasco pieces. Very pretty. And these have, let me see if I wrote it down, 1 3/4 inch drop. And they're in good condition. And these ones I put for, I think both hoops I put for 20. Okay. And then we have the ring here, Onyx Ring, size 8. A couple of people asked me about this one. It's a really pretty ring. I love the details on the sides here of the ring. And it is, the heart is standing up a little bit, kind of like a crown. Very pretty. And it is a size 8. And no damages or anything to it. And it is marked and tested. This one I put for 25. And of course, I'm going to tell you guys tomorrow what I'm listing and what's sold. Okay. And I'm really happy with Etsy. If you have vintage items, sterling items that you want to sell, and you're looking for platforms to sell in, I highly suggest and recommend to do it in Etsy. This one is a, okay, my rings are in the way now. Okay. It's a pretty butterfly. And at first I thought it was a flower, but it's a butterfly because it has those little antennas over here on the head. There we go. Okay. These stones I haven't tested because I don't have a gem tester, but they do look like these ones over here. They look like peridot, and I'm not sure what the purple ones are. I don't know. They might be peridot as well, because I know that there's purple peridot that they have as well. So that's why I just wrote like the question mark next to the words that I wrote in the listing, because I'm not sure. But they are sterling silver. I did test the item. It's very pretty, and it comes on this really nice necklace, and the necklace alone is really nice too. And it is tested, and they are marked. And this one I listed for 50, and of course and that's not including the sale that's going to be on it. Okay, so I listed all of these, and then, as you know, I also sell things that are not jewelry. I sell other items too. I listed this one here. It's a magnifying glass, a really old one, carved, and it does have a brass finish on here. This one is the one that just lays down, and then I also have another one that I listed. This one over here. This one stands up, and these are really nice and unique. And I did list these for $40 each. So that's it for today. And I don't know what I just dropped here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and end this, and I'll start a new stream so I can do the jar. Hope you guys had fun, and if there's anything that you guys want me to do for tomorrow, like rings, bracelets, necklaces, pendants, sterling, any specific brands, let me know and I'll try to put them into tomorrow's listings. Thank you so much. I hope you guys had fun. This is Anita Fanita saying goodbye.